Wow, what a wild start to the week.
Crazy, brother. Very, very crazy. You know, we are hoping everyone is safe following phase 2 of the Kona low, which brought heavy rain and serious impacts across the islands.
You know, yesterday we were actually on Hawaiʻi Island.
Yep.
We flew over there on Sunday, and it almost seems like the storm was following us.
The whole way, right?
The whole way.
We got into Kona. It was absolutely beautiful. As we made our way over Saddle Road, something started brewing in Kona side.
We had no idea.
Yeah, and then when we got into Hilo, we were getting reports of 50-mile-per-hour winds, lightning, thunder. It was just crazy.
Absolutely crazy. And even before that, remember when we were leaving Oʻahu on Sunday, the rains were, I mean, we were kind of maka'u.
Right, yes.
Because we were going to be flying into the storm above Molokaʻi, and they kind of shifted us around on the airplane to make sure that they knew we were going to hit some turbulence.
Yep.
So they made sure that the plane was well balanced. Yeah.
Yep, along with the cargo below it. You know when it's serious when there's no service on Hawaiian Airlines, you know what I mean? Because they serve no matter what, except for times of turbulence. So
yeah, and we want to thank our ohana, the flight crew, the pilots, everybody. They just
top
did
notch.
An incredible job. Now, some estimates say that the damage from these 2 storms could reach up to $1 billion.
This is, of course, and while we were in Kona, we saw what was raging in Manoa.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. It's the first thing you do is you call your ohana, you worry about them and you check in on them. And not only are there homeowners that are going through a lot of tough times, our farmers, the people that provide food for us too.
Yeah, for sure. In fact, for our mahi'ai or our farmers, there's going to be some relief from the Department of Agriculture. We're going to tell you about that in shakas and shout-outs later on in the show. And we're taking a look at the video over near many of the lo'i.
Yeah.
Over on the windward side and Waikane, Waiahole. This is just video of the flooding and how Kamehameha was just inundated with those rains. So, I mean, just again, battered, not just here on Oʻahu, where a lot of times we spend or focus our attention, but Maui County.
Yes.
Battered as well, Hawaiʻi Island, both sides. Again, we were in Hilo wind, the rains, the lightning, the thunder. We was counting them. 1,000, 2, 1,000.
That's the stuff we learn on Poltergeist, yeah?
Yeah.
and sure enough, lightning, thunder, same time. That's when you know the storm is directly overhead.
Yeah.
Right? Now, family, just a quick reminder, all that brown floodwater can be contaminated, carrying bacteria, viruses, parasites, and even chemicals from sewage.
Yeah, and we saw a lot of the videos on social media of kids doing what we did as we were kids.
That's right.
Playing in the rain, skimboarding through the muddy water. But it's very dangerous. These are some of the signs and symptoms that if you are infected by that the brown muddy water.
Yes. I mean, again, there's that red, warm, tender skin. Then an infection is brewing around there. Salmonella, E. coli, norovirus, respiratory infections, Legionella, wound infections. All of that can happen from this brown water. So please, please, please be safe and be maka'ala.
Yes. And like some of those videos that were popping up on social media, like, oh, look at them, they're so cute, those
It looks
kids.
fun.
It looks fun.
Sure.
But very, very dangerous. This is why even during the storms, we even asked the surfers to stay out of the water, the swimmers stay out of the water, because that runoff could contain all of that, nasty stuff.
That pilau stuff.
Yeah, so if you are, if you experience, the coughing, the wheezing, the redness, puffiness, even pus, go to see a doctor right away. Do not wait.
That's right. We could be seeing periods of locally heavy showers and storms today for the islands of Maui as well as Hawaiʻi, as lingering moisture is combining with unstable air. So those rains are still here.
Yeah, so just keep that in mind, because we could be, those mud ponds could form once again. Now, the good news is that we're expecting drier, more stable conditions to move down the island chain into the weekend. So those trades are coming back, which was interesting because yesterday, as the storm pushed past Hilo and then the trade started to fill in, they started to push them back overland. So yeah, I was like, yeah. But we are so glad that, we're seeing a lot of our community come together
Ooh, yeah.
to just help out. No matter, if it's here on Oʻahu, Maui, Hawaiʻi Island, just that, the locking of the arms.
Kakoa is a word.
Absolutely.
Support is the word. Absolutely. And we're going to be finding out more about that coming up in just a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, but first we want to throw it over to you. What's the scoops with you? Are you safe? Were you safe in the storm? Were you well prepared? We want to know what you did.
That's right. Let us know by sending an email to us at islandlifelive@kitv.com, or easy enough, just go ahead and comment directly to this video on our YouTube page. Share your experience with us and with our community. Just search KITV.